Hey guys, what's up? August 28. So guys, few days na lang before mag-September 1. As you all know, SLEX will be implementing non-cash lanes sa mga designated exits. So I know it's a dry run, pero yan ngayon nandito tayo sa Turbina exit and they will have a dry run obviously. So regarding this one, so meron dito mga list. So makikita nyo dito, it says here effective 1. ETC only will be effect at the following: Eton, Alabang, Batino, Cabuyao, Calamba, southbound, northbound, Calamba Real, Calamba Turbina, which is this one, Canlubang, Philinvest, Mamplasan, Silangan. So please make sure na meron kayong RFID because ang mangyayari kasi dito guys is that ayun nga, pagka wala siyang cash lane na, automatic you'll have to get your RFID installed sa sasakyan. So that they will implement this. So hopefully maayos na yung regarding this system. Kasi ang tagal-tagal na nito guys. Actually, yung mga nagpapatraffic talaga ng mga lanes is yung cash lanes. Kasi nag-build up siya. Tapos may mga may ikling exit lane, yung hindi siya ganun ka-wide. Especially Mamplasan. So yun, kinakain niya yung supposed to be para dito sa RFID lanes natin. Alright? So yun guys, please be aware and do get your RFID now. Alright?